And so, welcome to another exciting tutorial. I want to say a very big thank you to all my viewers, both returning and new viewers. You are the main G's. And please, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please, what are you waiting for? Do not hesitate to do so. Punch that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell when you do so, so you get updates when we upload new videos. Let's go right to the main gist. So this pattern measures your 7 inches by 10 inches. So I went ahead to fold into two. I came in with my French curve to give a curve I like. So while using a French curve, position it in a way you like, or you can use an object with a circular base or a circular top if you don't have a French curve. So this is what I have. Now go ahead and cut it out. So this is the outcome, and this is our pattern. So I went ahead to use it to cut this material. I use any material of your choice. Now I also went ahead to make this zipper, this bag at the front back. So if you don't know how to make this, indicate so I can send a video of how you can make it. So the next thing is to insert this cord, just sew it round. Of course, before sewing it, I like folding with my bias. You can actually do that without folding, without depend on you, but I like folding with my bias before sewing round. So this is it after sewing. So this is the side of the bag, and the length is gotten when you measure round this your bag, but the width is about 4 inches. About 4 inches. So the next thing to do is to sew it round. So I'll go ahead and sew the two parts. So this is it after sewing it. This is what we have. So I'll go ahead and flip it to the other side. And this is what it looks like. So what I did was to fold like so that I can get, you see how I folded. I want to get the length of the bag, the length or the width. I got 13.5. But I went ahead to cut about 14 inches for the length of this, and then okay, the width is 1.5, the length is 14 inches. So this is all we have. And then I also went ahead to cut the lining. I used the pattern to cut the lining. but I went ahead to remove 1 inch from the lining because we already have something. We'll be adding that material cut, we'll be adding it to the lining, so it will make the lining longer. That's why I'm cutting out this 1 inch from it. So I'll go ahead and sew this to it, adding my zipper. In case you still don't know how to do this, still indicate, I'll still post a video on how to do it. So this is the side of the zipper. I'll sew everything together and add that. And then I'll go ahead and put this for the sides, for the handle. This is where I will hook the handle till after sewing the bag. So I'll sew it to the two sides. So after sewing the lining, this is what it looks like. So what I'll do, I'll go ahead and insert it into the main bag. So insert it into the main bag, and then I'll go ahead and sew it round. So this is it after sewing it round, looking beautiful. So the next thing to do is to bias that rough edge and sew it round too. So this is it after everything. This is what the bag is looking at. I'll go ahead and add my zipper. This is what the bag is looking like. So this is it. It's beautiful. So I'll go ahead and insert my handle. Mind you, you can use any handle of your choice. You can use a chain handle. You can actually use this bag to make a handle. Depends on you, but I decided to use this. And our bag is ready. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.